Hi everyone. Today I would like to give you the short introduction of the SUP. Okay, SUP or what we call SUP is mean stand up paddle. There are so many types of the SUP. For example, it is the racing, it is for the touring, or it's just like the basic one. So today we only talking about the basic information of how to get on or how to paddle it. Okay, alright. So let's begin.
The first part is a handle. The handle is for carrying the board or hold to climb up from the water. Remember, the position of a handle will be the best position to balance yourself when you stand up on the board. The second part is a bungee. The bungee is using to keep our stuff in case that you're traveling in long hours. The third part is the leash. The leash will be used for tying up the board with your anchor, so when you fall in the water, the board won't float away from you. The last part is a fin. Fin is helping the board to travel through the water straightly and keep turning. Before we go on paddling, make sure you adjust the length of the paddle as shown here. Remember, each person would have a different length. This is how to hold the paddle. Firstly, do the paddle box stance. This stance will be the base width between two arms while you are paddling. If your both hands hold the paddle too narrow, the force of the paddle will be too less, and if you hold it too wide, you may feel uncomfortable to paddle. And for the blade direction, this would be the number one of always wrong point for all beginners. Make sure you use the correct way of the blade placing while you are paddling. The next thing that we're gonna learn how to fall. The highest chance that the people got hurt from SUP is when they fall. Remember, the board is hard while the water is soft. If you lost the balance or lost the control, just fall in the water and hold the paddle. Avoid to fall on board because you can hurt your shin, your ribs, your knees or whatever. Once we fall, the leash on your anchor will not let the board float away too far. Keep calm and simply get back on the SUP. To get up on board, if there is a shore, place the paddle on board, slowly kneel down, at the handle position, keep balance and starting to paddle slowly. In case of getting up from water, grab the handle by one hand while the other hand hold the paddle on board. Kick legs in the different direction and pull yourself up on board. Kneel, balance and start to paddle. Remember, don't put your body under the board. It would be very difficult to pick yourself up and there is a chance that the board would flip. And now you're ready for standing up. Firstly, put the paddle down, one leg by one leg, grab the paddle and stand up. Once you stand, bend down the knee a bit, try waving left and right. This would help you to feel comfort and more confident. When you get used to, you may can try to get up both legs in a time. Once you stand up, try to paddle slowly. Keep in your mind that the more we fall, the more chance to practice. Don't worry about getting wet. The easy tip is you have to always look forward, do not look down. Now we are talking about the paddling. When paddling on kneel down stance, point both thumbs up and hold the middle parts of the paddle. And when you stand up and paddle, always dip the whole blade in water. Look forward. Bend your back to create a long proportion until the paddle reaches your leg. Pull up and start to paddle again. Doing each side 2 to 3 times and switch to another side. Check this out. If the whole blade is not in the water, the efficiency of the paddling is not good. And if the paddle stroke is too wild, it would make your board keep turning. When you want to break or stop, simply put the paddle in the water and hold. If the board turns, switch the paddle to another side, hold to balance it. When you want to making a U-turn or a turn, try to brake first, then make a reverse paddling on one side. Your board gonna start to turn, and once the board turn to your desired angle, continue to paddle forward. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and we would continue to share our aquatic passion to you guys more and more. Here is the bonus activity. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.